All right. So finally, after a long time, we are live today. And the reason why we are live today is because I wanted to do a lot of announcements right here because there is a lot going on right now. We have been hosting a lot of hackathons, and then we have an amazing DevOps Pro course coming up. So we are going to talk all about that. And once I'm done with talking all of them, so I was in a very lazy, fun-loving mood today. So I would like to play Counter Strike as well, and I'll be talking to you all together. So I can see a lot of people coming up right here. So hi Suhas, hi Vikram, hi Divansh Kumar, hi Gaurav, hi Munajit. So there have been a lot of updates going on as well. So you must have noticed my CSM badge that was not a job guarantee badge, but we have a lot of job related opportunities coming up in that batch as well. So hello Mukesh sir. Mukesh sir has also joined us. The ace in testing. He is the guy to go for the testing. So, upcoming live course in cybersecurity. Yes, we are about to launch CSM 2.0. But for that, we are still preparing the curriculum because that should be an amazing curriculum again that companies can approach us and can, ask us to get some candidates who are good enough who can go for security audits or something like that. Sir, please, Suhas is asking. Okay, so yes. So Suhas is asking that, sir, please tell something about DevOps. Just enroll today. So Suhas, DevOps is going to be a very amazing journey. Like I've been posting a lot of videos on my YouTube channel that how DevOps has like changed the world of the servers, you can say. So it is going to be an amazing journey starting from the Linux. We are going to get started with Linux Ubuntu. We are going to use Vagrant, and then uske baad, like we are going to go for Python as well, and then for a lot of AWS things are coming up. I'm also trying up to show up for my next certification that is going to be sysops. So I'm also looking to crack that down. So I've already cracked down three certifications that are cloud practitioner, and apart from that there was this cloud architecture is what I've completed, and apart from that I've also completed DevOps Pro. So these are some of the good certifications that we are going to complete in this course, and then we are going to talk about that how you can deploy things into the real life, because you should know what Kubernetes is, how Kinesis is able to Kinesis is one of the technology by which we are able to handle the traffic of millions. We see this quite a lot, that Hotstar, when Hotstar is streaming, then about millions of people are watching it. How that is possible? That is possible from a technology called Kinesis. So likewise, we are going to learn about some real life problems, that how people are going ahead and handling the traffics, because everybody is coding these days, but only few are taking care about the production values, how to put them on a larger audience, and that is definitely required when you go in some good MNC. Then you should have the sense of it. So this is what I believe. Okay, so few more questions. Prashant, okay, so Prashant is asking, sir, can I do transition from testing to DevOps? Is it easy to learn DevOps? So basically, there is no hard and fast thing in learning DevOps, because it's not related to programming. It's basically about how you can take care about the production value, because once the reputation of company starts going away from it due to the user experience, and by the technology by which it's taking care of its users by handling that traffic, that should be really amazing, I believe. So this is one of an important thing, I believe. So next is, can I get job or internship as a fresher, as data analyst in scientist? Yes, definitely. Like a lot of people are like taking Chris Sir's course, and that course is really amazing for data science. It has given the transition to like n number of people into like data science. So I believe you should go for his course. He has also a full stack data science course coming up, so you should really check about it on the website of iNeuron. So this is the first live that I'm doing after so long. Like I wanted to come live on YouTube from quite a long time, but today I was finally able to order, Elgato, for which by which I'm able to stream live, and with the help of my camera. So it must be a good, high quality live. Don't forget to give me the feedback about today's quality of life. So hi Adarsh, hi Venkatesh. Sir, is Devers Pro referral program? Referral program in which sense? Like, are you talking about referring the course, or I would like to know more about it? Do companies hire freshers in DevOps? Yes, DevOps is not super old technology. It is a stack of technology that is quite new these days. So I believe they are definitely hiring freshers, and freshers are getting hired for minimum like 8 lakhs. I believe that's some of my friends who have got hired after they have cleared the practitioner and the architecture exam. Not even the DevOps professional examination, which I've cleared few days back. If you are able to go ahead and if you will just post it on LinkedIn, like this has also happened with me when I posted on LinkedIn that I've cleared my DevOps certification. I believe I've got tons of connections from a lot of DevOps professionals. So I believe LinkedIn is that is a top level game. If you are making some good connection on LinkedIn, I know a lot of people that are into cybersecurity. They have got enrolled into the New Zealand as a cybersecurity analyst just because of the LinkedIn, because there are a lot of people who run behind CEOs or CTOs for getting hired into the companies. But I believe HR is the one who is going to hire the talent. Along with them, you gotta have to display whatever you are doing in your life. Like, I think this is one thing that I learned previously, that if you're appearing for exams continuously, whether you're taking a job, whether you're on a job or in college, if you are appearing for exams continuously and if you are able to clear them, then it will boost your confidence to like next level, I believe. So this is one thing that you should do. Prerequisites is nothing at all. You can get started with DevOps, because there could not be as much spoon feeding, or you can say as much of beginner friendly course that we could have designed, in which we are just going to tell you that how to click next, how to go ahead with the VBox or Vagrant, how to go ahead with the Ubuntu installation to the next level of production that you can deal in a very big MNC. Because that's what I believe. If you're going to start your journey, that's why we have taken the duration of like 6 months. So this is something that you should go for. In 6 months, people can learn a lot of things right there. Okay, how to start into cybersecurity and how to make projects in cybersecurity. So I believe a lot of people are making a lot of projects in cybersecurity, and these days cybersecurity is going to the next level. Why is that? Because a lot of people are investing today into the DevSecOps. DevSecOps is one of the very amazing field out there, that is development security operations. So this is a very higher authority kind of a thing into the cybersecurity. A lot of people these days are also going ahead with you can say the IoT testing, because a lot of new compliances are followed in IoT testing. People are taking interest, and the big MNCs are taking interest in doing the testing of the IoT products like MG Hector. People are going behind the drone testing as well. So I believe you need to first choose that where do you want to get started. Apart from this, if you'll go to iNeuron, like there is a course named as Cybersecurity Masters. So that is also there. You can go ahead and enroll over there as well. I've taken everything from scratch over there, given you a very holistic approach that how you can go ahead into the cybersecurity over there, and a lot of people are about to get hired from there. Okay, we have taken these questions. There are no prerequisites. He will be. See, next question is asked from Suhas V. So, hi Suhas. I believe even the cybersecurity was not even a job, or you can say the placement program, but still we try our best to give as much opportunities as we can, because we have a very great TPO in the iNeuron, that is training placement officer, who takes care about the people we train should get placed somewhere. So we cannot take complete guarantee. I can see this, but I believe we give the continuous efforts to release some opportunities into the groups. We tell you that yes, here the hirings are going on and they have approached us, so we give the referrals for sure. Okay, so the next question is asked from Natasha, that I have done AWS SAA course. I want to do project. How to find project on cloud? See, the projects on cloud could be really amazing, I believe. Before jumping onto projects, first of all, you have to take care about learning of the cases, you can say, and right after that, there are a lot of things by which people are exploring into the projects these days, because people have been talking about how they can integrate the blockchain into AWS cloud, which could be also a very amazing project. Apart from to the if I talk about the list of AWS certification, then there are some specialized programs that are related to like machine learning specialization or security specialization. So I believe after this you should go for some specialized program, and then you should try building the projects on it. So that would be a great approach over there. Okay, so the next up, oh, I can see one of my very old, colleague. That is Samprit. Good to see you. I hope you are doing great, Samprit sir. Okay, so hi Rohit, student of CSM batch. Do you provide referrals for applying to companies? If you don't know about the referrals, I believe Iniron has also launched a job portal. So this is one thing that I would like to uh, you know make you remember about. So you can go ahead and try for job portal on Iniron, and you can also keep an eye on going ahead with some different job guarantee programs that Iniron keeps on launching, because all of the live classes are so amazing that once you are in it, we try to give the placement opportunities as well in that. So that is really a good thing that people are loving iNeuron a lot just because of this goodwill. And we also provide the recorded lectures along with Skype support. We tell you that how to make the resume, how to build the resume. So there is a very good hand holding out there at iNeuron, I believe. Does old age population of Japan beneficial for Indian to make a career in Japan after 2 to 3 years? So I believe I don't believe like Japan or like USA or like anything else. If you are going ahead and if you are keeping this mind in your perspective that you are looking to do some development somewhere, then I believe there are a hell lot of opportunities, because you should be thinking about tech in a way that you are doing something good to people, right? You're solving some real life problem. So if your brain is storming with some of the like real life problem, then I believe there is nothing can stop you in this world to do something good with the help of tech. So I believe yes. And if we talk about Japan, particularly if I wish to comment about Japan, then I believe there is a lot of amazing gaming industry that is going on over there. And into the gaming, we have seen that a lot of versatility. If I talk about Pokemon Go, till now, that was one of the finest example of augmentation reality, I believe. So this is what we have seen from the countries like Japan. They are really good in esports, that is electronic sports. So I believe you should do something related to augmentation reality, or you can try for some opportunities in game development. Like, and you can go ahead and you can learn about Unity game development, and these kind of development could be there. Okay, so the next question is from Shubham, and after taking four more questions, I'm going to do few announcements, and then I'm going to put my hands on to the Counter Strike. So I would love to play that game today in a while now. So okay, so Shubham is asking, I completed AWS Solutions Architects and new DevOps, still very company ask for experience. Yes, if companies are asking for experience, then there is always a door of internship. So I think this is something that you should really apply. And if you wish to omit this thing, then you can try for omitting this thing with going ahead with some of your own projects that you can show to your company that yes, you are really liable to get a job and you have experience into the production values as well. So this is something. And which has more opportunities, Japan or Singapore? I believe always Japan or Singapore. I believe Singapore is way ahead in terms of information technology. A lot of companies are going and getting settled into Singapore. The reason is the laws of IT are very friendly in Singapore, which is the reason why a lot of IT companies are actually going ahead there and getting settled over there. So I believe Singapore is a much better way to go and look for IT opportunities. Okay, so Shashidhar is asking if this course is going to. I don't think so. If this course is going to go in Techniron, but anyways, I don't have rigid information about it. So hi Ash, sir, will mock interviews be available into the course? So not just one or two mock interviews, you are going to get more than like thousands of questions in this course, because the reason is if you will make more and more questions, then only you will be able to clear the exams cloud architecture, cloud practitioner, or something like that. So I believe you should really go ahead and make as much questions as you can. So mock interviews are like going to be a thing. How to build cybersecurity resume? Venkatesh is asking this. So I believe into my CSM class, because I believe he is a student. Venkatesh is definitely, I still remember him. He's a student of my CSM batch. So I believe I'm going to put up and discuss some resume of the people who are currently work in big four companies like Ernst and Young, and I'm going to show you their profile, that how to build a very amazing resume and how to present things, that what are the skills that you can display into your resume, because that really matters a lot. So yes, that would be a great class. I think we should definitely going to we are going to plan some extra class regarding this. So yes, today you have announced about job or internship opportunities for CSM students. Tell me something about this. Okay, so what actually happened, Rohit, that looking at the quality of iNeurons, classes, that all the amazing mentors like my Sirji, Hitesh sir, and a lot of people like Naveen sir, Chris sir, amazingly, and Sudhanshu sir, amazingly, and these people are providing. A lot of companies are approaching us, and they are just trusting the values that iNeuron is following these days, and the quality of training that we are providing. So a lot of companies are coming to us, which is why one of the company came to us, and that company was ready to take freshers as well. And I got this news from the TPO of our iNeuron, so I immediately announced it. And for the next 1 or 1.5 week, we are going to prepare for it into the extra classes. So yes, this is the best update that we have right now. Okay, so next question is being asked by Mohammed Rafi. So, hi sir, having 7 years of experience in non-IT domain, now I'm pursuing a CSM course from iNeuron from you. How is the scope for me? So, I believe if you have some, the people who are having non-tech background, they can be qualified into a lot of jobs. You have been hearing about this quite a lot. That job is not necessary to get the degree doesn't matters in getting a good job. That happens in a case when you have a very good portfolio and you have a lot of certifications that are giving you a trademark of getting qualified, and doing a lot of things right there that are related to that domain. If you can follow this variable, then I believe age and experience and nothing is variable. In fact, that age will be included in a very additional layer of cream on your career, because there are some decisions that can be taken with the help of experience, with the real life experience. So into going ahead with some higher authority designations, that in that case the experience really matters quite a lot. So I believe the experience will be a plus one for you. Okay, so hello sir, I'm beginner in cyber security, and which team should I be in right now? So right now I believe you should be in red team, because if you will learn that what are the different things that you can find the flaws with, then I believe you can definitely do a lot of great things over there as well. So yes, if you know how to hack it, then you know how to secure it. So this is one thing that I keep on saying quite a lot. So first learn to find the flaw, and then go ahead and secure them. Okay, so one of the more question that I've just now got, can you suggest some portals to apply for cloud computing or for the DevOps internship? I think they will be listed under our courses and the job portals that iNeuron has recently launched. So they are going to open a lot of opportunities for that as well into that job portal. So I think that is the place that you should go for. Okay, so after Suhas is asking, after the completion of DevOps, are we getting internship? So I believe, see, there is one thing that I've learned in my life. Like, we try our best to give the assessment with the placements and the internship. But there is one thing that I've learned, that if you're learning with great zeal and if you're putting all of that onto LinkedIn, there is nothing can stop you. There is no one that can stop you from getting the internships and these kind of things, I believe. So you should really go for it, and we'll make you good enough to get that, so that companies don't stop hunting the candidates like you, because this is what we have realized. The quality candidates are still very less. So which is why I believe you should not be really worried about getting internship or companies. Trust me, if you have a great knowledge, then I believe there is nothing that can stop you. Okay, after taking few questions, I would like to do some quick announcements by sharing my screen. So, okay, so I'm going to share my screen for a while. So these are the few things that I wanted to display today. So this is one course that we have recently announced, that is be a DevOps Pro. This is one of a very amazing course that we have designed, because we always get these kind of questions that, sir, I'm a beginner, will I be able to do it? People doubt themselves, but which is the reason we are known for the best hand holding at iNeuron. So the reason that I was about to announce these things, that we are getting started from the beginning, and then we are going to set up our CentOS, or I believe I'll be changing that to Ubuntu really soon, because that is also keeping a very friendly approach. But it doesn't really matters that you are going to go on CentOS or Ubuntu. Then we are going to learn a lot about Linux, like complete Linux, that you can even go for some competitive exams of Linux as well. And after understanding the Linux into the very detail, like the sysadmins, software management, shell scripting is super super important, right? If you are going to go ahead and trying to become a candidate in DevOps, then I believe you should know the shell scripting use cases, that how what are the bash commands that are being used in any scenario out there. And the shell scripting is really important. Then you're going to learn about networking here, and then we are going to go with the automations, then Git. Now, if we talk about DevOps, then Git is really a version controlling tool which will help you to take the code from the production level to the live scenario with the help of some cloud services like AWS and Azure or whatever the best is. And then we are going to go with a very in-depth detail of Git, and then we are going to go with different AWS containers and Python. Even we are going to go for Python, and with some really important topic of Python as well, like resolving the APIs and these kind of things as well. And then we have taken Docker as well, the Kubernetes as well, Terraform, Ansible, clusters, CI/CD pipeline, Jenkins, Prometheus, Grafana. So I believe this is going to be the most detailed course that you will ever witness, because I've also cleared 3 certifications. You guys must be knowing that already. So we are going to learn that how you can pass those examinations as well. And this, you will have huge amount of projects, and then a lot of more things out there. Another good news that I wanted to share for a while, and after sharing this good news, again we are going to go ahead with some question answers. The course duration, Naveed, is 6 months, or it could go for up to 7 months as well. So every weekend we are going to come up, and we are going to have a huge uh, give you a huge pathway to do the transition of your career into the DevOps. So next up we have Tech-A-Thon. That is what I wanted to announce, that Tech-A-Thon 2.0. Excuse me for that sneezy. So next Hackathon 2.0 is what we have announced. We are going to keep this hackathon in Rajasthan and to the JCRC University on 14 September. So I think this is the URL of hackathon. And there is one thing that I really noticed, that if I write here as iNeuron hackathon, then we are coming on a very we are coming on to the top of that list as well. So you can just Google us or do whatever is best suitable for you, and you can register for this. And in this Tech-A-Thon, we are going to keep different domains like web development, mobile applications, and data science. And we are going to have a huge amount of cash prize pool. That is, winner will get 2 lakhs, the first runner up will get 1 lakh, and the second runner up will get 50,000. Not just this, we are also coming up with iPhones. So there is also a social media contest for the best influencers that are really doing the great job with the reels these days, that we have been noticing into a lot of colleges. So that is also a great thing out there. So you can check out the event schedule and who all are coming to Jaipur, Rajasthan at JCRC University. So Hitesh sir, the CTO of iNeuron, is going to come there. Saurabh sir, that you people know as My Sirji, he's also coming there. Mukesh sir is coming there, the ace guy in VP Test Automation. He's the VP in Test Automation at iNeuron. And of course, I'll be coming myself. I'm handling as a lead of cybersecurity at iNeuron and also coming up with a lot of DevOps stuff as well. So this is something that I wanted to talk about. So we are going to resume the Q&As again uh, in some time. So you can go ahead and uh, get started with this. And I'll till then I'll just turn on and I'll play for a while. And after every round, I'll go ahead and I'll keep on replying you. So this is one thing that I wanted to do from quite a long time because I just wanted to stream some gaming live from quite a long time so that I can come live often. So, is there anyone who is a CS:GO fan? So, we have been, trying to play this from quite a long time. But before that, into the stream, I guess I gotta have to deselect the question from Suhas. Okay. So till the time I find the matchmaking, I think I should go ahead and answer some of your more questions. So okay, that's really great, Naved. I look forward to see you in the class if you are already enrolled into the DevOps course. So a lot of people are saying that play Valorant, sir. So in fact, I'm playing CS:GO as well after like so many months. So I don't know how am I going to play, but yes, I'm trying my best to stream live to stay in touch with you, and I'll just go ahead and keep on doing the chit chat with you. So we have got this question from Krishna. So I am Java developer, Spring Boot, with only 1+ years of experience. So I have interest to go with DevOps, or should I upskill my career in Spring Boot microservices or for a better upgrade in my package? I think I'll just give you a quick example, Krishna. Go ahead on LinkedIn and try to find, the job opportunities on DevOps. And also, there is a second thing that you can notice that DevOps has the huge pay scale, and that too when you have 1 years of technical experience, then I believe you will be getting a very good placement out there. So this is one thing that you should do. Onto the LinkedIn, you'll find that DevOps is really the upcoming the big thing out there, because the companies cannot definitely survive at all without the DevOps skills. Because if you are going into the market with a lot of people that are going to face your products, like the Swiggy, Uber, imagine the amount of people who are downloading and using these apps. And then there is a technology that can help you to grow up with some products. So whether you are like entrepreneur or whether you are just programmer, this is going to be a really huge upgrade in your life. Okay, Venkatesh, thank you for the happy gaming. And okay, so we have got one more question from Natasha. So in DevOps Pro course, the lab will be controlled environment or will have flexibility to perform or integrate the services. So this is one thing that I was also having a word with a lot of my fellow instructors as well. And then we decided that, we are going to tell everything that how you can do manually as well, because that lab is really good out there. It has a very high speed, and the processing speed is really amazing out there. But apart from that, we are also going to teach that how you can control things into the offline environment as well, into your custom environment as well, because that is really important when you're going to go ahead and do some jobs out there into the real life. Then you'll be playing into the real life production. So I believe you should know that how to control things manually as well. So that is also really important out there. But imagine now if we take this case into some kind of data set that we are going to process, then in that case I believe you should do that into the iNeuron lab. Like, that is super amazing. Like, it has a very high speed processing unit out there. Okay, so I can see a match into the dust too that I used to play. Actually, I used to play 1.6 Counter Strike 1.6 long back, but then I've been trying CS:GO for like 15-20 days now, like a month I believe now. So I think I'll just go ahead and see that how I'm still going to play, because I hardly remember 1.6 as well these days. Okay, so next question we have got from Mohit. So, hello sir, I'm working as test engineer in Zycus. So I've joined DevOps Pro course. So what can we expect from this course, and do you also provide referral? So definitely yes, we provide referral as well. So I'll take a second. Okay, so yes, definitely we do provide the referral. and there are going to be a lot of job opportunities as well. So I think this is one thing that you should really take care about. If there is any course, we try our best to go ahead with with a lot of job opportunities. So I think this is one thing that you should not really worry when you are just going and getting enrolled into the DevOps course or like any course of iNeuron. So please don't extend this course up to 7 months. Please try to complete in 7 months. And okay, so I'll try my best to complete this course as soon as possible. So this is the one thing. Okay, I'm just doing a quick warm up, and I'm not able to hit them. That is really a bad thing out there. I think they are really good pro players in here. Seems like I'm gonna be badly beaten by the opponents. Oh, hooray! I killed the guy again. Okay, so who will you provide job assistance to students who are in second year of BTech? No, definitely not. I believe that is not a legit thing out there. But okay, these guys always comes up into the front of the scope. So the students who are seeking for job and students who are actually okay. So students are looking to do the transition, and who are already doing and they are included into some kind of job roles. I'm going to provide them the assistance, and this is what we are going to go. Of course, if the degree is not completed, or maybe if you are into the third year, then I believe this is something that you should really go for. So after completing your degree, maybe like the final year, and then you'll get started with this. So let's go for the first round, and after the first round, I'll just go ahead and mm, okay, I'm going A. सर आपका एथिकल हैकिंग का कौन सा जॉइन है एज ए बिगिनर? सो आईन्यूरॉन पे जाओगे तो वहां पे आपको एक सीएसएम का कोर्स दिखेगा. दैट इज वन ऑफ द अमेजिंग कोर्स. सो आई थिंक दैट इज व्हाट यू शुड जॉइन एज एन एथिकल हैकिंग कोर्स. आर दे बी कैर? Is this course not for a second year student for theory purpose? No, 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 no. This is definitely for the beginners, but we have most of the things into the practical way. I don't like to take theory much, honestly. Short? Are they short? I Okay, after a back playing, we will be the noob at the start and we will get the grip of the system. Yes, I believe this is how we go. Is this course okay? We are done with this question. So Saran has asked that why the course is priced less than the other courses. Other programs are average course 17K and Dev Pro for 12K. Are we compromising on something? I think when you have a name like Hitesh sir, I don't believe that there is a scope of compromising anything at all. We have been going on with a lot of amazing instructors over there who are actually working in a real life production these days. So this is a really good opportunity to learn from them, and it is always a great thing to make a connection with somebody who is already into the corporate. Thing spotted? Did I क्या? Are they going B? LT? यार जीरो किल पे हूँ, थोड़ा खेलना तो पड़ेगा. That's why iNeuron is best in terms of quality and content that iNeuron provides, especially Hitesh sir. Yes, Hitesh sir is like I believe he is the next level guy. He's known for the quality and that too in bulk, I believe. So this is a very heavily packaged course. Like he puts almost everything in a one course bundle. So this course is, there after like making a lot of like 7 to 8 courses are all jumbled up into this. Again, what again? Koi? Hello, hello, hello. ये है अभी भी आवाज है. Alright, so few more questions है सर. लिनक्स कमांड चाहिए. लिनक्स तो अभी बहुत सारा पढ़ाने वाला हूँ मैं इस चैनल पे because लिनक्स and cloud, these are the two things that I'm going to be caring most about on my channel in upcoming days. And I believe अभी देखो cloud और Linux, these are the two things जो मैं अभी करूँगा बहुत ज़्यादा मेरे चैनल पे. And I believe अभी मैं CTF भी काफ़ी लेके आने वाला हूँ because CSM का भी 2.0 आने वाला है. So I believe okay. So they've given a technical timeout. So I was finally able to get one kill. Okay, so few more questions till the time we are getting these kind of things like technical timeout. So I believe let's get back to the stream. Okay, so do DevOps field hire freshers with zero experience? I've seen on Google when I search, uh, only available for more than 1 plus 2 2 plus year experience. So there is nothing like that. When you go into the starting and when you'll find jobs, if we talk about especially for India, and when you'll go to the Gurgaon side and these kind of companies that is there into the Hyderabad or maybe Bangalore, so there are companies who are taking freshers as well because they don't have any options. Like they are required. Like I have few of my friends who are going ahead with the cloud into the cloud consultancy because if you have a good cloud guy out there, he can literally take your monthly bill down in a drastic way. So they are looking for freshers as well. So there's nothing like that. So if you'll go ahead and find onto a lot of multiple platforms, then I believe you're going to get a lot of opportunities out there. Next up, we have Tech 049. I'm a web pen tester. I've enrolled this course. So as a web pen tester, even I've loved this course because uh, you go ahead and play around with a lot of Linux systems. So the Linux guys, even I'm using Linux from like 7 to 8 from like last 7 to 8 years, which is why it was easier for me to go ahead and crack some interviews of the DevOps. So that is really a good thing out there. Will really enjoy the Linux guys. It's very easy peasy thing for Linux guys. That's what I believe. That's how I have cleared up the DevOps Pro certification from AWS. Shot spotted. Fall back my shot से. All right, so few more questions after winning this round. Hi, sir. What are the projects we are going to cover? Are the projects real time? Will you be covering Sonar Cube or testing tools as well? Yes, we are going to go ahead with a lot of performance based tool and the testing tools as well. So I think that is also going to be covered. And the project, there are huge amount of use cases and huge amount of projects that we are going to build into the cloud. ओह थैंक्स टू सी एस गो, बार बार टाइम आउट आ रहा है ताकि मैं आप लोगों से ज्यादा बात कर सकूं, ये तो बहुत ही अच्छी चीज है. So yes, don't worry about the projects and the use cases. This is what is really important in a technology like cloud. You should be really taking care about the use cases. So instead of Ubuntu, can we use Mac OS? No, actually, you're gonna have to learn Linux. Ubuntu is not going to be your primary system. You can use Windows, Mac OS, or whatever you want, because we are going to configure everything on VBox Vagrant. So that is not going to be a big issue for you. Okay, so which certification should I do as a beginner in cybersecurity? So as a beginner, I believe आपके पास CEH तो होना ही चाहिए. So this is one thing out there. So you should definitely get started with CEH, and then you can go for the CSM as well. CSM is also keeping a really good credibility of certification because it is ISO 27001 certified. And then you can go ahead with some EJPT, and you can go ahead with a lot of CompTIA Plus certifications as well, and you can also go for like OSCP. OSCP is something that you should have in your life, maybe after like the experience of 1 or 2 years. But yeah, you should keep that into your to-do list, I believe. So I'll be back to your questions after playing this round. So keep an eye on me. I hope I'll get more kills in here. So I believe I have a good team, which is why we are running the town. स्मोक किसने किया है मिड में? अल्टी क्लियर है, मुझे ही मार देना चाहिए था. मुझे लगा एक और बंदा देखूंगा. किधर है? ड्यूटी तो नहीं आ रहा घूम के. सेव किया है यार उसने. Yes, we do. Okay, so few more questions. AWS certification has any value? What if you don't have one? AWS certification has a lot of value. That's what I was talking about few seconds back. Because if you'll put that on LinkedIn or anywhere, that will give you a lot of connections, and it will give you the eligibility to get hired as a DevOps engineer or maybe as a cloud engineer. It is not necessary that you find the jobs in DevOps only. You can also look for opportunities in like the cloud as well. So you are automatically qualified as a cloud engineer already. You are qualified there. DevOps is not compulsory in that way. पीछे ब्लू. Okay, so if Hitesh sir is there, then you don't need to concern about the content project. They really push your limits so hard. You can't imagine the personal experience. That is one of the reason why Hitesh sir. Yes, this is one of the thing because देखो क्या है ना, अब कंटेंट पढ़ा ही रहे हैं तो जम के पढ़ाएंगे तो मजा आएगा ना. देखो, तो दिस इज वन थिंग जिसपे हम लोग ज्यादा से ज्यादा कॉन्सेंट्रेट करते हैं. हम लोग इतना ज्यादा डिलीवर करते हैं कि मतलब आपको उसमें तो कंप्लेन आएगी नहीं कभी भी. Bomb drop a shot. New batch of cybersecurity is available. We are launching the new batch after few months, but right now you can go ahead and get enrolled into the CSM, that is cybersecurity masters at iNeuron. So because देखो वो भी मैंने बहुत बिगिनर लेवल से लिया था. I tried my best कि आप लोग टाइम रहते एनरोल कर लो उसमें. बट आप लोगों ने अगर एनरोल नहीं किया है तो उसमें भी हम लोगों ने डैशबोर्ड में देखिए बहुत सारे लाइव रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स डाल दिए हैं, तो आप लोग वो एक्सेस कर सकते हैं. एंड देन स्काइप सपोर्ट के लिए भी मुकेश सर बहुत ही ओपी एक्सपीरियंस रखते हैं और काफ़ी अच्छा उनको नॉलेज है. तो आई बिलीव यू कैन डेफिनेटली गो फॉर दैट. हम आप एक बार आइए, आप हैंड होल्डिंग हम कर लेंगे आपकी और पढ़ा भी हम देंगे, बस एफर्ट्स देखिए आपको देने होंगे. सो दिस इज व्हाट आई बिलीव संतोष. इतनी प्रो टीम आई है, मुझे कुछ करना ही नहीं पड़ रहा है. Okay, so how to get AWS certificate apart from your DevOps Pro course? See, if you really want to clear the certifications of AWS, then go ahead on Google and find AWS cert. Like once this round gets over, then I'll tell you live while sharing the screen कि कहाँ पे आपको AWS के certifications मिल सकते हैं right after this round, I believe. All right, so few more questions after killing this guy. So, how much average package for the fresher in DevOps you expect for the average student? I believe because 7 या 8 लाख तो I believe इतना तो हो ही जाता है fresher का. So this is one thing that you should go for. At least 7 to 8 lakhs per annum is what you can expect. Hilong, hilong. Whoa, what a lucky smoke kill. Okay, so labs for AWS certification because AWS account billing is expensive. There was a platform named as Cloud Quest. देखो मैं आपको बताता हूँ 2-3 चीजें. सो किसी ने पूछा था AWS सर्टिफिकेशन के लिए, तो आपको सिर्फ इतना सा लिखना है यहाँ पे AWS सर्ट. तो यहाँ पे आप देखोगे कि सारी लिस्ट है सर्टिफिकेशंस की. सो मैंने देखो ये क्लाउड प्रैक्टिशनर किया है, ये प्रो 2 साल का 2 साल का एक्सपीरियंस एटलीस्ट चाहिए होता है यहाँ पे. मेरे टीममेट वाले सोच रहे होंगे कहाँ गायब था ये. लॉन्ग है क्या? Shout out, yes, Shivam, a great shout out to you and congratulations to you, Shivam, for new office, and a big congratulations for more achievements that you have achieved so far, like finding bugs in Apple, and like you have been finding quite a lot of bugs these days. So I'm really happy from you. Okay, how to practice? Okay, I've already mentioned that, and how to clear cybersecurity certification. So I believe again it depends which certification you wish to clear. So you can go for it. एक किल लेके आता हूँ मैं बीच में पुराने टाइम जैसे मिड का, बट आई गेस लैग कर रहा है मेरा सिस्टम स्ट्रीम करने की वजह से. लेट्स सी. All right, few more questions. Can we crack any job if, after DevOps Pro if we follow it 100%? In straight words, yes, you pretty much can. Prerequisite before DevOps Pro, there is no prerequisite like I've been mentioning again and again. So you can go ahead and get started from scratch. पुराने दिन ही याद आ गए ऐसे किल्स लेके ऑप से तो. All right, enjoying your gameplay, Venkatesh. Thank you so much. Like I've been trying to play well, but it's been quite a long time that I haven't yet played it. So yes, reality of remote jobs. I mean, there are a lot of startups that are coming up on the basis of the remote jobs only because it is definitely saving a lot of expenses of any company, which will be a really good thing. And we have seen some good results if the core team is not coming on work from home or the remote into a remote way. The core team should be there. That's what I believe because that's what will give the more and more innovation to a product, which is really required. And the decision making of like the core team is, you know, it should be there. That's when the innovation will happen. फिर पूछ ले. इधर से पता नहीं खड़े हुए क्या कर रहे हैं ये लोग. Hmm. How to get remote jobs through DevOps as a fresher? Try your LinkedIn. And do you have any courses related to cybersecurity and ethical hacking running off? So Debakar, you should really go on ineuron.ai, or you can also try for csm.ineuron.ai. Like I'll give you the link of that straight away into the chat. So I believe here it is. So you can check out this link. This is the place where I have my ongoing course, that is going on right now of ethical hacking. So this is something that you should look for. Short again. Sure. बी क्यों लग रहे हैं? ओहो, ये तो बहुत ही जबरदस्त शॉट पड़ गया है मुझे. Okay, so I'll be streaming live for like till this game gets up. So I believe we are going to win anyway, very quickly within some time now. So it is going to be a happy gaming day today, and then I'm going to go and sleep for a while because today I was little unwell, which is why I wasn't able to post an amazing video on DevOps, or you can say cloud. But yes, I'm going to do that tomorrow for sure. You can just wait and expect for my video tomorrow. So yes, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a good sleep, and then early in the morning tomorrow, again, the fight for the content, the best content, so that you may like it on my YouTube channel. Bomber Aja. Yeah, this is the gun that I love. इससे तो मजा आ जाता है डबल बैरेट से. नहीं, छोड़नी नहीं है, इसके साथ थोड़ी मस्ती करनी है. कहाँ पे? कहाँ पे? ये तो मैं हार गया इस गन की वजह से. हाँ, first round, but any which way. Few more questions. Sarang is asking like how many years DevOps will be there? DevOps will be there for quite a long time. I believe it will take decades to grow. So this is one thing. You can really count on DevOps. It is not that technology that will get updated very easily, and I think you can count on it. Growth in DevOps, huge, huge amount of growth, because DevOps is just not about AWS or GCP or something like that. We'll follow cloud AWS, but any which way, without this, the innovation won't be stopped, because if we talk about it from the perspective of future as well, then you must have been noticing that Web 3.0 is coming up, and these cloud people are proactively taking part in knowing that how they can run the blockchain on cloud, because there are a lot of performance issues coming up. So I believe you can talk such summits where they are talking that how the blockchain can be implemented onto the cloud. So yes, this has a really good approach out there. Cloud is the next feature, whether it is 3.2 or like anything. Cloud is the thing. Damn, I couldn't kill him from behind. Yes, height आ गया, low है. Purple, he's diffusing. Boom. Okay, so the link is not working. I believe it should work. It's working here. Let me try if the link is not working. It's csm.ineuron.ai. Yes, I believe they have removed the link. So do one thing, you can just go onto the ineuron.ai website, and you can just look for cyber security masters. This is the course, the last one. Whoa, I have no clue why this is not coming up. But yes, you can definitely look for CSM course in here, and I believe you'll be finding few results of cybersecurity masters, and then you can go ahead and purchase it. If you still are not able to purchase it, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Drop me a message on Instagram, and I'll be assisting you further. can we attempt the quizzes, exam, and etc. on the DevOps Pro dashboard multiple times so that we can reattempt it? Uh, you can once you are done with one question, you can go next or previous while going for AWS DevOps exam, but you cannot reattempt all the questions. So I think this is something that you should take care of. एक बार क्वेश्चन दे दिया, एग्जाम हो गया तो हो गया, अब वो दोबारा नहीं दिखेगा। देन फिर दोबारा फीस भरनी होगी एडब्ल्यूएस सर्टिफिकेशन वालों को, एंड वहां से फिर हमें देना होगा एग्जाम, और ये स्मोक हो गया। और यहाँ तो हारने तो नहीं देंगे देखो। Does iNeuron team has DevOps engineer? Yes, definitely. I'm one of them. So yeah. हितेश सर रोल इन दिस कोड। हितेश सर तो देखो पूरा का पूरा कोर्स ही आप ये मानिए हितेश सर का ही यही है, क्योंकि करिकुलम डिजाइन करने से लेकर क्यूएनए देने तक सब कुछ हितेश सर ने ही डिजाइन किया है। सो आई बिलीव उनका तो काफी बड़ा रोल है, एंड वो आपको काफी दिखेंगे इस कोर्स के अंदर। ऑलमोस्ट हर वीक में तो दिखेंगे आपसे मिलेंगे, क्योंकि उनकी गाइड के बिना मुझे नहीं लगता कि आप एक रियल लाइफ प्रॉब्लम इतने अच्छे से समझ पाओगे। सो यस, वो हमेशा होंगे ही, इनफैक्ट वो भी पढ़ाएंगे साथ में। ले गया ये मेरा। बॉम्ब। में कुछ पता है कहाँ पे है? नेवर माइंड। ओके, डिड यू सेड क्लाउड क्विज के प्रैक्टिस लैब्स? नो 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 नो, इट वाज क्लाउड क्वेस्ट, QUEST, Cloud Quest. Will there be any upcoming hiring for any CS profile? Yes, iNeuron has been hiring like quite a lot. They keep on hiring people like crazy. Every month we see a lot of new faces. So yes, iNeuron is expanding like crazy. मार ही दिया स्पैम में एक ऊपर ही। एलटी 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 एलटी। सर फ्रेंकली बताओ, कोडिंग पसंद नहीं है डीएसए वगैरह? ये अब इस पे कोडिंग का मैं कैसे बताऊं आपको कि मतलब इसमें प्रोडक्शन का काम है सारा। कैसे देखो, कोड लिख दिया किसी डेवलपर ने, अब उसको प्रोडक्शन पे भी तो लेके जाना है। अब उसने बोल दिया कि मेरे तो इस कोड पे लाखों यूजर काम करेंगे, तो कैसे काम करेंगे वो डेवऑप्स से ही काम करेंगे। तो इसमें कोडिंग आपको देगा, मतलब होस्ट करना आना चाहिए आपको, चलाने का इतना नहीं है। कोई भी एक प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज तो कर रखी होगी ना सुहास, कभी ना कभी। तो बस ठीक है, बाकी हम लोग कर ही देंगे। अब पाइथन भी स्क्रैच से पढ़ा रहे हैं, लिनक्स भी पढ़ा रहे हैं, इससे ज़्यादा तो मुझे लगता नहीं है आपको प्रॉब्लम आएगी ये सब करके। तो फ्रेंकली ही बता रहे हैं हम। तो वैसे हो जाता है सुहास, देखो क्या होता है ना, अच्छा मेंटर होता है ना, सारी चीज़ें हो जाती है। आगे सब हमें खेलना होगा, क्योंकि 10-11 आ गया है, और ऐसे तो हम लोग हार जाएंगे। I think this is going to be one of my longest live, but I'll keep on streaming like this because I play almost daily. और बहुत ही अच्छा रहेगा कि अगर मैं डेली आपसे आऊँगा और आप लोग मुझसे बात करेंगे तो इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी अ गुड थिंग. यूजुअली इंस्टाग्राम पे मैं बहुत ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा रिप्लाई दे नहीं पाता हूँ, इसलिए व्हाट शुड बी द आइडियल टाइम टेबल टू फॉलो फॉर वर्किंग पर्सन, हाउ मेनी आवर्स पर डे टू स्टडी. आई थिंक देखिए, पढ़ाई तो अब आपने आईटी में कदम रख दिया है, पढ़ना तो अब डेली है. अब आप कब टाइम निकालो वो आपके ऊपर है. जैसे आई बिलीव मैं अपना सारा काम करके जैसे 6 या 7 बजे तक फ्री होता, लाइक आई वेक अप एवरी डे एट 8 o'clock इन द मॉर्निंग. एंड देन अच्छे से घर वालों के साथ ब्रेकफास्ट करके बढ़िया एकदम, और फिर उसके बाद मैं काम करने बैठ जाता हूँ. फिर उसके बाद मैं अपनी कंपनी का काम करता हूँ यूजुअली 6-7 बजे तक. और फिर उसके बाद मैं यूजुअली थोड़ा पढ़ता हूँ, कोई बुक्स वगैरह पढ़ता हूँ ताकि थोड़ा मूड भी चेंज हुए. घूम के आता हूँ दोस्तों के साथ शाम को, तो उसका भी आधा पौन घंटा निकालता हूँ मैं. उसके बाद फिर मैं कुछ सीखना स्टार्ट करता हूँ, और फिर सोते वक्त काउंटर स्ट्राइक खेलते हुए मैं सो जाता हूँ. सो आई बिलीव अब नींद आ जाती है इतनी जल्दी बिकॉज सो ही जाओ तो आप बेटर है ताकि सुबह 8 बजे जगी जाओ. लगता है स्ट्रीम की वजह से इतना लैग हो रहा है मेरा पीसी कि आई बिलीव एक हाई परफॉर्मेंस पीसी मुझे लेना होगा. So I believe there are a lot of other people who are also playing CS:GO. They will be joining with me soon. And हाँ, एक और चीज़ थी जो मैं आप लोगों को बताना भूल गया था. बी साइड्स में मैं दिखूंगा. सो अहमदाबाद में बी साइड्स हो रहा है, बहुत अमेजिंग सा एक इवेंट हो रहा है हैकिंग का, जिसमें मतलब अमेरिकन इंफॉर्मेशन सिक्योरिटी के वेटरन से लेकर काफ़ी लोग आ रहे हैं. तो आई बिलीव वहाँ पे मैं आपको दिखूंगा और वहाँ पे हम लोग काफ़ी मस्ती करेंगे अहमदाबाद में. पुराने दोस्त और पुराने कंपनी के कलीग सारे अहमदाबाद में ही हैं. सो आई बिलीव इट इज गोइंग टू बी अ वेरी फन इवेंट एट बी साइट्स. एंड हाँ, उसके 2 फ्री पासेस भी आ रहे हैं, तो वो भी मैं उसका गिव अवे करूंगा अपने यूट्यूब चैनल पे. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू बी अ ग्रेट थिंग. Few more rounds and then we are done with today's live. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask them as quickly as possible. हमेशा आता है ये लॉन्ग से. ओके सर जी, बहुत कष्ट है मेरी लाइफ में, डेवऑप्स से ही उम्मीद है अब तो. देखिए, ऐसे कष्ट वष्ट क्यों लेना है लाइफ में. कष्ट तो नहीं होना चाहिए लाइफ में. मजे करो, बढ़िया खेलो कूदो. कष्ट तब होता है जब एक ही जोन में आप चल जाते हो. अब जैसे सारे दिन मैं पढ़ता हूँ, कंटेंट ढूंढता हूँ, यूट्यूब पे वीडियो बनाता हूँ, कोर्सेज के वीडियोस बनाता हूँ. उसके बाद फ्रेशन अप होने के लिए मैं डेली कुछ ना कुछ खेलता हूँ, दोस्तों के साथ भी टाइम बिताता हूँ. तो आई बिलीव हाई परफॉर्मेंस के लिए आपको थोड़ा फोकस होने के लिए भी आपको एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर थोड़ा रिक्वायर्ड हो जाता है कई बार. ये लॉन्ग आजा येलो या शॉर्ट से मार उनको. 11 HP हो गया. Link is not working. Which link is not working, दिबाकर? देखो, आप लोग मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे कनेक्टेड हो, आप मुझे डीएम करो, मैं वहां पे लिंक दे देता हूँ. हायरिंग की चिंता है सिर्फ, इट्स नॉट जॉब गारंटी प्रोग्राम. अरे सब हो जाएगी हायरिंग वायरिंग. देखो, काम करोगे तभी तो आगे बढ़ोगे. अब उसको सीखा ही नहीं, फिर आगे कैसे बढ़ेंगे. तो मेरा तो ऐसा है फंडा लाइफ में, देखो पढ़ा हुआ कभी बेकार जाता नहीं है, तो हमेशा आपको पढ़ते तो रहना चाहिए। इससे थोड़ा दिमाग भी फ्रेश रहता है, कुछ ना कुछ प्रोडक्टिविटी चलती रहती है, दिल खुश होता है, बोला हाँ मजा आ गया, आज मैंने ये अचीव किया, तो बड़ा अच्छा लगता है ऐसे पढ़ते रहो आप। किधर है? आएगा ये लो कि कल आएगा? आ जाए यार, ये लो, अकेले कैसे मारूंगा मैं दो को? अरे वाह, ये लो। बूया! अभी मतलब ऑफ ऑफ चल रही है मेरी, बढ़िया एकदम। क्लास टाइमिंग एंड विल वी गेट रिकॉर्डिंग सेशंस इफ वी मिस द क्लासेस। सो यस, आपको रिकॉर्डेड क्लासेस सारी की सारी डैशबोर्ड में अवेलेबल हो जाएगी, तो उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। सारे रिकॉर्डेड सेशंस के अलावा भी मंडे से लेकर फ्राइडे तक आपका वही चलेगा। मतलब आप वन ऑन वन हमारे मेंटोर से कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं, एंड देन उनसे पूछ सकते हैं कि मैं यहाँ पे अटक रहा हूँ, या ये चीज़ मुझे आप दोबारा पढ़ाई है। तो ये सारी चीज़ें अवेलेबल है, तो ये डैशबोर्ड में अवेलेबल हो जाएगी राइट आफ्टर द क्लास। तो ये एक बहुत ही अच्छा फीचर है जो हम लोग लाए हैं आई न्यूरॉन के साथ। आई मीन आई न्यूरॉन के साथ तो पहले से था, हम लोगों ने अभी आई न्यूरॉन ज्वाइन किया, तो ये चीज़ मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी उनकी। हैंड होल्डिंग इतनी प्रॉपर है वहाँ पे कि मज़ा आता है वहाँ पे पढ़ा के भी, और क्वालिटी के रिजल्ट रिजल्ट डिलीवर करके भी। प्लांट बी पे कर रहा है ना? ए पे प्लांट कर रहा है यार। ओ यार, ये तो बहुत गलत हो गया। खुद से नहीं हो पाएगा प्लेसमेंट, अरे सब हो जाएगा प्लेसमेंट खुद से। क्या आप देखिए, हम अपॉर्चुनिटीज तो देंगे, कॉल्स आएंगी कि हाँ इंडियन कंपनीज ने हमें अप्रोच किया है, और ये सारी चीज़ें होंगी। अब आप अगर टॉप परफॉर्मर हैं या मतलब अच्छे से पढ़ रहे हैं तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी। और हमने सबका लिंक्डइन स्ट्रॉन्ग करवा के, पोर्टफोलियो स्ट्रॉन्ग करवा के काफ़ी कुछ किया है, तो उसकी चिंता नहीं लीजिए आप बस पढ़ने पे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ध्यान रखेंगे तो वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बेटर होगा आपके लिए। अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हमेशा आएंगी लाइफ में। ड्रॉप चाहिए किसी को, ड्रॉ कराओ ये राउंड। थोड़ा थोड़ा खेलने लगाओ। अरे यार, ये मुझे केवल दो दो किल्स आ गए, 18, 18 और 19, जिसमें तो मैं ध्यान से खेल भी नहीं रहा हूँ। रिज्यूमे बिल्डअप भी कोर्स में होगा ना? यस, रिज्यूमे बिल्डिंग से लेकर इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन से लेकर एडब्ल्यूएस के एग्जाम में कैसे क्या क्वेश्चन आएंगे, ये सारी चीजें होंगी। ये लास्ट राउंड जीत जाएंगे तो हमें मजा आ जाएगा, एंड हैप्पी डे के साथ सीएस होगा हमारा आज पे। कार कर मौली। बुलबा पे मत जाओ यार। किधर किधर मारे हैं दो जने? जल्दी बताओ। Yeah, GG. So finally, it was a great day, and highest headshot percentage. That's what I love to go. I was in a good ranking today. So that's where we'll stop today's streaming. And I had a great time doing the chit chat with you, and it was really amazing. But I believe I've spent a good amount of time today here on this live, so which is why we really enjoyed today. But sir, we get time in weekends only. How we will ask our doubts? See, देखो weekends पे तो time है ही आपके पास. Weekends पे तो हम लोग हो ही नहीं होंगे पढ़ाने के लिए वहाँ पे आपके साथ. उसके अलावा अगर थोड़ा सा भी रात को आप टाइम निकाल लेंगे शाम को या दिन में या अर्ली मॉर्निंग तो आपके लिए बेस्ट रहेगा. बाकी हमसे तो आप कनेक्ट हैं ही वीकेंड पे. तो यस, एवरीथिंग विल बी टेकन केयर. एंड साइड बाय साइड और भी बहुत सारे ग्रुप्स हैं, तो वहाँ पे आप कभी भी क्वेरी डाल सकते हैं. सो ये सारी चीज़ें हमने अवेलेबल करवा दी है, तो इसका कोई प्रॉब्लम रहेगा नहीं. मैक डिवाइसेस आर ओके फॉर डेवऑप्स. यस, दे आर कम्प्लीटली फाइन बिकॉज हम वर्चुअलाइजेशन करेंगे वेग्रेंट से, तो उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आने वाला है. मैक के अंदर भी हम करवा देंगे उसको. अच्छा, आई मीन वन ऑन वन मेंटर. यस, वन ऑन वन मेंटर अवेलेबल होते हैं. देखिए, मंडे टू फ्राइडे, सैटरडे संडे तो हम खुद ही अवेलेबल होते हैं वहाँ पे. तो आई बिलीव आपको प्रॉब्लम आना नहीं चाहिए हमारे साथ. So that's it for today. I really enjoyed the live with you all, and I really had a great time. And I did a late night live today, and the reason for doing a late night live ताकि सब लोग फ्री हो जाए, सब लोग ज्वाइन कर ले. और I believe अभी तक भी काफी लोग देख रहे हैं. So thank you everyone for joining live today. Soumya, Lokesh, Rahul, and Sarang, and it was really nice to have a great interaction with you. I'll try to host more and more live. एंड डेफिनेटली साइड में अगर मैं खेलता रहूंगा और आप लोगों से बात भी करता रहूंगा, क्योंकि मैं खेलता तो एनीवेज पे हूं ही, तो आई बिलीव इट वुड बी रियली ग्रेट. सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. आई होप यू एंजॉयड दिस लाइव, and I'll meet you really soon with such amazing lives. But that's it for today. I hope you have a great night ahead. I'll see you soon tomorrow with another amazing YouTube video. And make sure to hit thumbs up and subscribe and recommend my channel on to my different to your different friends. Though I'm getting views again because बीच में मेरा algorithm काफी down रहा था, but now I've released like 4 or 5 videos last week in which I've received more than 6.5k views in some of the videos. So I'm really happy that all of you people are getting super active once again. But that's it for today. I really enjoyed having a great time with you. I'll see you tomorrow again with another YouTube video.